Guys, hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games. It filled the wick and dropped with Bitcoin as we covered in the previous video. Currently sitting at 0.027, down almost 4% in the last 24 hours. Sitting market cap at 180 million. 24-hour volume is still higher than it's been for the last few weeks, sitting at 128 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Full length tutorial of how to use the platform in the description. So, as you can see, we talked about yesterday filling this wick, and I said, look guys, if we fill this wick and Bitcoin reverses and sees a pullback, it's most likely going to pull Gala down with it, and that's exactly what happened here. Bitcoin pulled back, as you can see right here. Let me open this up, and it took Gala down with it. Now there is still an opportunity for Gala to push up. What you can look at is that we're looking, this is the wave 1 right here in red, this is the wave 2, so you're looking for that wave 3. Ignore this green wave 2 and this wave C. Just pretend they're not there. So what you'd be looking at is pushing up in that wave 3. So potentially that's the wave 1 of the wave 3, and this is looks like a steep wave 2 pullback, probably around the 0.786. And then you would push up in a 3. Now we'll do a quick measurement just to see where it's at. Bottom of wave 1 to the top. Yeah, right, as I mentioned, the 0.786. So it would have to bounce from here and break out, because if it starts to break below the 0.786, it becomes less likely. If it breaks the wave too low, then it's a done deal, and you're going to see continuation to the downside. But as of right now, we have pushed up. We fell back down into the pattern. So if Bitcoin bounces, where's the chart with the yellow box? Probably right here. If Bitcoin were to bounce from this yellow box, then potentially there is breakout opportunity for Gala. But if we start to significantly lose 0.0254, the 0.786, then it becomes less likely that it's a wave 2, and that's when we can start to come down, because we have met the 0.5 at 0.028, which is typical of a wave 2 pullback. That's why I have the wave 2 in green. So what we're looking at here with the larger wave count is that we're looking to come down in this wave 3. Let me make this bigger so it's not confusing for you guys. Please open. Why is this not opening? What the hell? Or maybe I should say, what the heck? God is always watching. We'll leave it for now. So what we're looking at here is that we're looking to fill that wave 3, which is here in white, and that consists of 5 waves. So wave 1 to the downside, wave 2. And looking to come down in that wave 3. So within that wave 3, within every wave is 5 waves, basically. So we've come down in wave 1. We're looking at that wave 2 pullback. If you take a fib retracement from the top of this wave 1, which is here in green, see this green right here? Fib retracement from the top to the bottom, your wave 2 target in between the 0.5, the 0.786. We already touched the 0.5, so we can break down from here. We'll have to see. It all depends on Bitcoin, if we can bounce in this yellow box and see push to the upside, or if this is it for the pullback and we start to correct. So just trade very cautiously. We talked about that bounce with that double bottom, so that was your long opportunity there. I ended up taking a long on sand, which was profitable, but as you can see, there was a nice breakout for Gala. So you can see how the analysis can be very helpful for your trading, and you can get early access if you sign up to the Discord at $10 per month. As well as my trade signals. So if I don't make a video for a coin on a certain day, the analysis will be posted in the Discord. For the price of I guess I'm going with Cobb salad from Swiss Chalet instead of saying Big Mac. I'm going to have to find something better to use as an example, because I just don't want to, push junk food. Now basically is poison. Anyways, guys, so we were talking about that bullish divergence on the daily and potentially pushing up to retest the falling wedge. That's best case scenario. As I mentioned, we can roll over at any time, but that best case scenario is, in my opinion, to hit that wedge and then see continuation to the downside, eventually coming down to the price target of 0.017, which is taken from the larger falling wedge pattern, the body, take it to your point of breakdown, and that will give you that 0.017. Sorry, my dyslexia. It's difficult to be a technical analyst when you have dyslexia and the numbers get mixed up. Anyways, not important. So that's it for Gala Games. Sign up to Bybit. Grab up to 30K in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. as you can see right here, free access. All you have to do is sign up and make your first deposit, email me. And then at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis and my trade signals, which can be helpful along your trading journey. A lot of the members, they just love the analysis alone because it helps them with their trades. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.